Hi, welcome to this new series where we are going to unlock the secrets of guitar improvisation using the major scale. Whether you're just starting out or want to improve your solos, this series will help you create your own melodies with confidence. Improvising with the major scale is a core skill that every guitarist should master. The good news? We'll break it down step by step so anyone can follow along, even if you've never improvised before. So, if you're ready to dive in and start making some music, hit that like button! And let's get improvising. Come on! Alright, let's dive into today's pattern. Today we're playing the C sharp or D flat major scale. If you still don't know the notes on the guitar, watch this masterclass here. Start by placing your first finger on string number 3, fret number 6. And then we go with finger number 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, and 4. Now backwards, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1. Good job! This is only one of many ways of playing the C sharp or D flat major scale. If you want to know all of them, check out the Master the Major Scale course, link in the description below. Congratulations! You've just learned today's pattern. I know that you want to improvise right away, but shh. Take a deep breath. First, we need to practice the scale with a backing track. Before improvising, we have to make sure you can play the scale in half notes and quarter notes in rhythm. If not, improvising will be like, tricky. Sorry. So, let's practice. Come on. First, we're going to practice the scale using half notes. We have to count 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And we play the whole scale, ascending and descending. Now we do it again using quarter notes. 1, 1, 1, 1. We play the whole scale and then again one last time in half notes. Okay, get ready and let's practice together with some music. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Quarter notes. And half notes. Alright, good job! How did it go? Remember, if you need more practice, just go back and repeat the exercise as many times as you need. Congratulations! You've got today's pattern down. You got it! Well done! Now, one of the best ways to start improvising is with a simple question-answer approach. Think of it like a conversation. I play a phrase, you respond. Hey, it doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to get comfortable creating simple musical ideas. And hey, do not overthink it, just have fun with it. Okay, let's get into the exercise. First, we'll start with half notes. These are nice and slow so you have time to think. For example, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I improvise for 4 bars and you'll respond for the next 4 bars, okay? Get ready, let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And go. Great, now let's step it up to quarter notes. This will push you a little bit faster. Now you have to count 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. And of course you also can rest. 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, rest. 1. Okay, are you ready? Same as before. 4-bar question, 4-bar answer. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and... Hey, good job! If you're struggling, that's totally fine. This is how you get better. Keep optimistic. Now, we're going for the last part of this exercise. We're going to mix half notes and quarter notes, like this. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, rest. 1, 2, 1, rest. Okay? Remember that you can rest as well. Are you ready? Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and... Hey, you know what? I've got a little bonus exercise for you. This one's really going to help develop your sense of melody and structure in your solos. We're going to create a simple phrase that will be the starting point for each round of improvisation. You'll play that melody and then you'll respond to it yourself. This exercise is... oh, great. Come, I'll show you. Here's the idea. First, I'm going to make up a little melody, like this. Now you have to memorize it. Come on, It's like this, slowly. 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Okay, a little bit faster. You got it? You can pause for a little if you need it. Okay, now at the start of every 8-bar round, you'll play this phrase and then improvise freely for the rest of the bars. So you answer to yourself. Then you start again. Something like this. And then you keep going. Okay, you keep your improvisation, and at the start of the next 8-bar round, and you do whatever you want. This gives your solo a bit of structure and makes it sound more like a song. Now, let me give you a little example of how does this exercise sound. Then I'll tell you how to practice. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and... Great! Now, here's your homework. Practice this exercise with this backing track. I've also linked it in the description below. This little exercise will transform your solos in something more melodic and memorable. I really encourage you to stick with it and practice for the full 10 minutes of the track. Okay, awesome work today! Remember, improvisation is all about practice and patience. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get. Do not forget to practice this last exercise on your own with the backing track linked below. The more you practice, the more progress you'll see. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss the next one. In the next video, we'll explore the major scale in a brand new key, so stay tuned for that.